Introducing the Lift and Spin low-profile lift table by Lift Products. This table is accessible by a manual or electric pallet jack using a ramp that places the load onto the rotating top. This unit has an exclusive feature of an auto transition plate. You can see here, and the way this works is when the table is slightly raised, the auto transition plate drops out of the way. That exposes the rotating disc, which, once spun, the pallet will spin around and clear the transition plate. Also featured when the unit is raised, as you can see there, there's a brake bar that's located under the table. That engages the top when the top is in the fully lowered position. When it's in the fully lowered position, the table is 4 inches from the top of the disc to the ground. When raising the table up, it will go to a height of 34 inches. It also features a 2,000 pound capacity. Once the table is fully raised, as you descend, if the safety bar is stripped, which is hung underneath the table, it stops the unit from lowering. In order for you to reactivate that lift, you must go up to reset the circuit. Then you have the full function of up and down on the lift table. Also on the handle itself, the control handle, there's an emergency stop button. That can be pressed at any time, either in a raised or lowering operation, to stop the table. Simply resetting it is twisting it, and that it will reset that circuit. The unit is running on a 110 power unit and will work on a 20 amp circuit. Here is the lift and spin being loaded with an empty pallet with the operator going up the ramp over the smooth transition plate. Once up in that position, the table can be lowered and moved back. Shown here is the lift and spin with an empty pallet loaded for the operator to start placing loads on. The big advantage of the low profile table, in addition to its height, is the built-in carousel, so that the operator doesn't have to walk around or reach across the load as building the load. This unit features a 360-degree rotating top, which is with very low effort to rotate. As you can see, the rotation is a simple manual movement, again allowing the operator to easily access all locations that she wants to access with the boxes onto the pallet. This continues to build the pallet as required for each application. Once the pallet is fully lowered, the operator can squaring the load, allowing the unit, once it's in the fully lowered position, to again be unloaded with a pallet truck. Ready. Once the operator is ready, he simply pumps up the pallet that's located on the rotating top. The pallet or the lift being all the way lowered, the auto transition plate is in place, and simply by pulling the pallet back, she rolls down the ramp and is ready for the next load.